Welcome to WordWise Academy, where learning English becomes smart, simple, and powerful. In today's video, we'll explore 20 advanced English words you must know in 2025, words that make you sound confident, educated, and fluent. These aren't just fancy words, they are real, modern vocabulary used by native speakers, professionals, and creators around the world. So grab your notebook, and let's dive in. Before we begin, what does advanced vocabulary really mean? Advanced vocabulary goes beyond everyday words like good, bad, or nice. It helps you express your thoughts more precisely, emotionally, and professionally. For example, instead of saying, "That's a good idea," you could say, "That's a brilliant idea," or even, "That's a groundbreaking idea." Every advanced word you learn adds power and depth to your English. Now, let's explore 20 advanced words that will transform your communication in 2025. Each word will include the meaningen example sentence and a quick tip to remember it. Eloquent meaning fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Example, her speech was so eloquent that the entire audience was moved to tears. Tip, think of elo like elegant words. Meticulous meaning showing great attention to detail. Very careful. Example, he is meticulous about his work. Every detail is perfect. Tip, meticulous people measure twice before they act once. Ambivalent meaning, having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something. Example, I'm ambivalent about moving abroad, excited but also nervous. Tip, ambidesides, you feel two emotions at once. Pragmatic meaning, dealing with things sensibly and realistically. Example, she took a pragmatic approach to solving the problem. Tip, pragmatic equals practical. Ubiquitous meaning, present, appearing, or found everywhere. Example, smartphones are ubiquitous in modern life. Tip, sounds like you big with us everywhere around you. Tenacious meaning, determined, not giving up easily. Example, he's a tenacious learner, he never quits until he understands. Tip, think 10 nails holding on tightly. Epiphany meaning, a sudden moment of realization or understanding. Example, I had an epiphany about my career goals last night. Tip, sounds like a bright light, a sudden idea. Conundrum meaning, a confusing or difficult problem. Example, choosing between two dream jobs is quite a conundrum. Tip, conundrum equals confusing dilemma. Resilient meaning, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example, she's resilient no matter what happens. She bounces back stronger. Tip, think of rubber, flexible and strong. Aesthetic meaning, related to beauty or artistic taste. Example, the calf has a cozy, minimalist aesthetic. Tip, used often in art, design, or social media. 1. Discerning meaning having or showing good judgment. Example, a discerning reader can recognize high-quality writing. Tip, discerning equals you can see quality clearly. 1. Incessant meaning, continuing without pause. Non-stop. Example, the incessant noise made it impossible to concentrate. Tip, in plus cease equals not stopping. 1. Ambitious meaning, having a strong desire to achieve success. Example, he's an ambitious entrepreneur building his dream company. Tip, ambi means around, you aim higher than others. 1. Candid meaning, honest and straightforward. Example, I appreciate your candid feedback. Tip, think of camera candid, real, unfiltered. 1. Perplexed meaning confused or puzzled. Example, I was perplexed by his strange behavior. Tip, per plus plex equals twisted in thought. 1. Compassionate meaning, showing sympathy and concern for others. Example, a compassionate person helps others in need. Tip, comes from compassion to feel with someone. 1. Impeccable meaning, perfect, without any mistakes. Example, her pronunciation is impeccable. Tip, im means not. Peccable equals flawed, not flawed. 1. Intriguing meaning, fascinating or very interesting. Example, the movie had an intriguing plot twist. Tip, comes from intrigue to spark curiosity. 1. Pivotal meaning of crucial importance, central to success. Example, this decision is pivotal for your future. Tip, think of a pivot point, everything turns around it. 2. Prolific meaning, producing many works or results. Example, he's a prolific writer who publishes several books a year. Tip, pro plus lific equals producing a lot, like a pro. Great job! You've just learned 20 advanced English words that will help you sound confident, fluent, and professional in 2025. Let's quickly review a few. eloquent, meticulous, pragmatic, resilient, aesthetic, impeccable, prolific. These words are powerful tools, but remember, vocabulary is not just about knowing words. It's about using them. Try to use 2 or 3 of these words today in your writing or conversation. You'll be amazed how quickly they become part of your natural speech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson from WordWise Academy. Comment below with your favorite word from today's list. I'll reply to as many as I can. And don't forget to check out our next video, 50 powerful English words to sound smarter instantly. Until next time, learn smart, speak wise, only at WordWise Academy.